Before you unpackage the door contents, confirm the dimensions of your opening match those printed on the box. Open the box and remove the covers for the head jamb and sill sections, then discard the packaging. Some frames are wide enough where they require a splice. Slide the two head jamb pieces together over the splice joiner and fasten with the screws provided. Repeat this process on the sill. Fit the corners of the screen together by matching the colored dots. Once the corners are tight, fasten through the sill and header with the screws provided. Repeat fastening at each corner. Pre-drill the installation holes in the head jamb and sill. Take care to avoid the sections marked in red and stagger the screw locations so they're not in a straight line. With help, lift the frame into the opening. Take care not to twist the frame. Square the frame in the opening. A laser level is an effective tool for this application. Fasten the sill into the rough opening using the appropriate fasteners. Shim the jambs to obtain a square frame. Once you've squared the frame in the opening, fasten through the head jamb using the holes you pre-drilled earlier. Starting at one side, remove the cable spool from the top of the jamb. Unspool the cable completely. Note the label marked on the pulley. Pull the string to the opposite corner key and thread it through the labeled slot. Thread the cable through the bottom color match pulley. Pull the cable to the opposite corner and thread through the color matched pulley. Thread the cable up through the pull bar clamp. Tighten the set screw to hold the cable in place. Now thread the yellow thread through the opposite head jamb pulley. Thread the cable down through the cable clamp and tighten the set screw. Repeat the entire process for the other side. To tension the screen, pull the plastic ratchet strap until the mark on the tensioner is aligned with the center notch on the pull bar. On biparting screens, repeat the tensioning process. Cycle the screen 4 times. Obtain an even reveal. Close both screens on biparting or close to the jamb on unidirectional screens. If there's a larger gap between the pull bars at the bottom, either apply more tension to the lower springs or reduce the tension on the upper springs. Cycle the screen 4 times. Close the screens and check the reveal again. Trim each cable and tuck the tag end of the cord into the end of the tensioning spring. Tuck the ratchet strap inside the end of the tensioning spring. Repeat the process on biparting screens. Install the head jamb covers. If you're installing the screen by yourself, there's a bracket included that will hold one end of the top cover in place. Snap the bracket on the top end of the pull bar. Install the jamb covers. Set the interior side in first and then roll the exterior side into place. Repeat the process for the other jamb. Open the screen slightly, then install the color-matched sill end covers. Install the middle sill cover. Install the color-coded magnets.